the detail to my favorite Johnny Wayne sweep. Normally, you need to control the wrist, control the arm, however you want, so you cannot post. And then you turn the hips to sweep here, and you get up. That's the classic way to do it. You can control in different ways. If he smashes, the arm is inside. That's the control as well. We block the arm so you cannot post, and we turn the hips the same way, and we get the same result. Now, in my version, I like to do it a little bit easier without catching the arm. So if I just turn, he's gonna post. So we need to meet it. I turn, he posts, I sweep the arm away. And then we don't have to control the arm before. Let me know in the comments which technique you would like to see next.